The first NFT collection issued from Bygone NFT is Vulture City. This ghost town in the Arizona desert played a major role in the history of Arizona and the United States. At its peak, 5,000 souls called Vulture City home. You can almost feel their stories walking through the buildings and seeing the artifacts they left behind. Bygone NFT is being developed to ensure blockchain and NFT technology is used to restore and preserve physical historical property. It does this in many ways, such as crowdfunding preservation efforts, offering enthusiasts around the world a way to directly participate with these efforts and own a piece of history, preserve the names and stories of those who came before us, ensure authenticated digital historical property on the blockchain, and ultimately, Bygone.NFT will be among today's pioneers, bridging our physical universe with the emerging Metaverse. Vulture City is the first of many Bygone NFT projects. Go to bygonenft.io for more detailed information and join us on this journey.